Relax and get ready to be inspired as we shine a spotlight on the stars of our school. Again, I would like to request our principal ma'am to welcome our honorable chief guest. Ma'am, I request our chief guest, chairman and trustee members to commence today's program with the lighting of the lamp. I request all of you to kindly stand for the Gayatri Mantra. Thank you all. I would now request and invite our principal ma'am for welcome address.
Unleashed. Mrs. Vibhuti Anand Adisra is a Bachelor in Electronics and Communication Engineering from RBC Bangalore in 2009 and PGDM in HRM from SIBM Pune in 2011. She joined Tata Steel in 2013 as a manager HRM. She is currently completing her Pro Cam Slam medal circuit. She has also made a mark in completing one of the 7 world major marathon in New York on 3rd November 2024. Welcome you, ma'am. Pre-primary is the first step to the world of education, from an unstable state to a stable footprint. That is also the expectation of the parents when they send their child to the school. I still remember the day when these students enter the campus with very reluctant steps, holding their parents' hand and lots of expectation in their eyes. Dear parents, after seeing today's program, you will be confident about your child's future. I assure you that the child is very competent hand. In the Anand Public School, we look into the overall development of the child. We give them training and exposure to all the activities along with the proper education. Recently, we have upgraded our infrastructure, added 2 halls with all the modern facilities with a sitting capacity of 350 and 100 respectively. We renovated our existing hall with all amenities, modern amenities, along with the best sound system, and the amphitheater where the program is holding is the first one in any Jamshedpur school. We also installed 2 new computer labs with 40 computers each. The library has been upgraded and a digital section has been added to it. Additional 20 new classrooms are going to add in our infrastructure. We have upgraded the sports facility with new basketball and volleyball court for the students. To save energy, we install solar power. We are generating surplus electricity. In education form, it is always our priority. Our students secured position among the top 10 students in Jharkhand. Recently, we have started a preparatory class for IIT and JEE, along with the regular studies for standard 11 and 12 standard students. We are planning to implement many more measures for the overall development of the children. I am thankful for all of you, your support and cooperation throughout the year. I am thankful to Mrs. Vibhuti for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest and honor this occasion. I request all of you to enjoy the musical evening present by your toddlers. I also thank the member of praise for their support and the teachers who put all their efforts to make this program successful. Thank you. Just looking forward to a great evening ahead. Thank you.
School and their outstanding performance in academics in the year 2023 to 24. Please put your hands together for our little winners to give away the first set of prizes. Starting with Nursery A, first Ravini Kumari. Kuzika.
चलो मारो ऐसा 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 सीधा 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 सीधे मारो सीधे मारो ये ना
Satya Majumdar.
बाइक लाइट मार दे
लेफ्ट मारो
Starting with Nursery A, first Vaibhav K.
appreciate these toddlers.
Starting with UKG A. First, Deepsika Srivastav. Second, Chanchal Kumari. Third, Ayans Kumar Chaudhary. UKGB first, Shreya Ghosh. Shreya Ghosh. Kadosh. Second, Adish Madam. Third, Simarpreet Kaur. UKG first,
Hello.
second, Divyansh Kumar Rao. Second, Divyansh Kumar Rao.
आगे जा
Third, Arpita Kumari. UKGD first, Madhya Khalid. Second, Vivan Rao. Third, Pranay Metia. I will now request our Honorable Chief the gathering.
Respected Principal Madam, the Vice Principal of the school, respected Rajiv Talwar Sir, respected the Vice Chairman, Aryan Sharma Sir. It's my proud privilege to be here as the chief guest of the annual KG night of the Anand Public School. And I must place on records my heartfelt thanks to Rajiv Sir, who actually pulled me and managed to play a trick to get this ready on the 12th and adjust your timings as well to have this beautiful occasion. So thank you very much, Rajiv Sir. When I was here and I was just trying to see the infrastructure of the school, and in fact, I've seen that past 4 years, a lot of work has also gone into it. The principal madam was just talking about the enhancement of the infrastructure. When we think of these schools, one would never imagine until you actually see the school inside. There's so much to actually see, there's so much to believe. Even in the morning, today I had a chance to witness 2 schools. I was there for their annual sports day, the South Pau school in Jusco and the Shiksha Niketan school in Telco. One tends to believe that there are only certain selected schools where you would want your child to go, but it changed my perspective today. When I saw the library, when I saw the digital center, when I saw these lovely big boards, I feel so proud to say that the school has put in so much of their effort, so much of their investments to make a bright future out of these children. And kudos to the children, to the parents rather, to the organizing committee, to each one of you from the management. I would like you all to please put your hands together and give them a big round of applause for what they are doing for your children to make it bright and secured. I think this deserves a bigger round of applause, please. So, Madam Principal, my heartfelt appreciation and all my appreciative words to the entire management of the Anand Public School, and thank you, Rajiv sir, who actually got me here to see the infrastructure and see the school. Coming to the evening today, and while I was talking to R.N. Sharma sir, a very, very senior leader from Tata Group, and while we were just exchanging notes, sir said one thing. When we talk about Viksit Bharat, we talk about our little children who we see here. These are the children who would actually make, the India of tomorrow. We call it, Tatas have this line, and I'm sure we all know about the mottos of Tata. We also make tomorrow. And when we talk about tomorrow, when we talk about Viksit Bharat, we are actually talking about these children, and these children making it a bright one for all of us. So children, I am very, very happy and I really want to applaud each one of you. I'm taken by surprise the way each and every child who stood here and was giving the commentary and announcing, what absolute confidence. I think this is something that I have not seen in a very, very long time. And when your parents and when we also talk about, we only talk about certain specific schools who would train the children. But come to think of it, it's actually the hard work of the teachers. It's actually the willingness of the students to, put it all together. We probably might go wrong, but even in the morning when I was there and I was seeing the drills and I was seeing the march past, not a single hand shook in a different manner. Everything was so synchronized. And look at this young bright girl who's standing here. She did not miss even a single name when she was announcing it. She did not have to read the paper. She did not have to read a book. She did not have to remember through any cue cards. Fantastic children. I think I am pleasantly surprised, and I'm sure you all are feeling very proud to see your children here. And they looked absolutely beautiful while they will present these, they have bouquet of performance here for all of you. I'm sure you're going to make it beautiful for them by giving them enough cheer, by giving them enough appreciation all along the evening. And just one thing that I wanted to say, that when you parents are here, I hope you do not put any pressure on your child. Each child is very unique, and each child is doing something in their own important way. Some may excel in academics, some may do very well in their field of art, some would do excellent in sport, but they all are doing it, and they do it. So please show them a beautiful mirror, have a wonderful environment in the house, give them the kind of creativity, let them think about it, let them be very innovative, do not pressurize them, let them make their childhood beautiful. And since they are here, I just wanted to say that they're here today. They have put this show together. Being present on the occasion, being present at the venue is 70% of your job already done. They are winners to me. Some of them might just be rewarded with a medal or a trophy, but each child to me is a winner. I do not have any comparative study to tell them this is a better child, or probably she's looking smarter, or this child is brighter. Every child is unique, and for me, all of these children are winners. And parents and teachers and the organizing committee and the executive council members, this platform, I'm sure, is a wonderful platform where you all can come together and bond well. It shows so much of, the bonding. It shows so much of building of the camaraderie. I'm sure this one annual night cannot be presented in a day or two. It must have taken months and months of efforts to, knit it together, to stitch it as one big program. And when you're stitching this together, you're meeting different friends, you're making new buddies, and you're also trying to, get the deformities in the children negated. You're trying to get them right. Each of the children, each of the teacher here, they are trying to, talk to each other. So when you're here at the stage, when you're putting your show together, please remember, do it with a smile. And all you parents, give them huge round of applause when they're on the stage. Let's make a beautiful memory out of this annual meeting today at the Dayanand Public School. I wish you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो मारते रहो हाँ ले बड़ा हट जा मारते रहो जब फोटो लिया हम दो मार रहे जीतने घर पे तो वैसे नहीं सर रेकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है
Is the key to the future. Everywhere I go, let's go to school, so we never retire. I'll never look my back. Pick up your shoes, pull up your socks and go. Let's go to school, so we never retire. I'll never look my back. Pick up your shoes, pull up your socks and go. I wanna be a doctor when I grow up. Treat all my friends and the people at home. Teach them to love my mother and my father, my country. Banina masu with the name. What the pieces of love? So go wasaba. Have a dream in your life, never give up. Clean your shoes, pack up your books, pick up your pen and go. Let's go to school, so we never retire. I'll never look my back. Pick up your shoes, pull up your socks and go. Let's go to school, so we never retire. I'll never look my back. Pick up your shoes, pull up your socks and go.
Give a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. Are you ready for the big adventure today? Yes. I have something very exciting to tell you. Dayanand Public School will take you on a world trip. Yes, you heard that right?
अब या
Yeah! be traveling to some amazing places around the globe, exploring different countries, learning about their cultures, their music, their dances, and their fun traditions. Wow! Let's go! Welcome to the flight KG 2024 taking us around the world. My name is Captain Avinav. My name is Captain Mohammad Razan. And we will be your pilot today. Buckle off your seatbelts as we are about to take off on an amazing adventure. First up, Japan. Ready for takeoff? Here we go. Welcome to the beautiful land of Japan. Here you will find servants, ancient temples, peaceful gardens, and exciting art of origami. Look, I see some graceful dancers ready to ceremony.
Guard. And close behind them, we have the 2nd Foreign Infantry Regiment. The marching contingent comprising 90 Legionnaires led by Captain Noel. The Legionnaires wear the famous white cap, which can be worn only by Legionnaires who have successfully been through 4 months of hard selection tests, and the best Legionnaires get promoted and wear the black cap you can see in the first row.
Ya sini ada.
What our little friends have in store for us for this vibrant country.
For all you do, as we pray and worship your holy name, you are here, dwelling within our prayer.
a storehouse of sparkling diamonds. Let's have a glimpse of Swahili tradition, Tamasha.
I'm the Limpopo, giver of life, Alpha without Omega. I am Africa.
stage and let's take a glimpse of the world culture. Showcasing stunning outfits inspired by diverse cultures. Get ready to embark on this stylish world too.
Dear parents, please put your hands together for this big celebration. तालियां बजाकर अपने बच्चों का हौसला अफजाई करें।
Christmas to all.
Might not know where we're going. Promise we'll never be apart. Just pick me up and never let me go. We don't need much as long as we're together, together, together.
Parents, please clap for them. These are the teachers who have really worked hard in training these young ones. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Though we might not know where we're going, promise we'll never be apart. Just pick me up.
A big round of applause for all our kindergarten teachers. Yeah, teachers, a big round of applause. Thank you so much. An event like this cannot happen overnight. We should start rolling this ago. A heartfelt thanks to our honorable chief guest for his valuable time. I also extend our gratitude to Dr. Anand Samasa and his team to receiving teachers, office staff, supportive staff for their untiring efforts. Without whose help, this would not have been possible. Finally, I would like to thank our parents and little friends who made this event joyful. With their impressive performance, we extend our heartfelt appreciation and thanks to each one of you for your patience and valuable time. Thank you all.
Thank you everyone. Parents, I request all of you to please rise for our national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
आप अपनी जगह पे बैठे रहें After 10 minutes, we'll tell you to which classroom to go and collect your children. Please hold on our chairs for the next 10 minutes.
Yes, and we'll be starting from nursery.